Hello, SolidWorks designers. Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In this video you'll learn how to create a clean, professional isometric section view in SolidWorks, perfect for technical drawings, manuals, and presentations. Isometric section views are great when a flat 2D section doesn't fully explain the shape of your part or assembly. Instead of looking straight at the cut, you see the model in 3D with the interior exposed. In this tutorial, I'll use a simple part, but the same steps work for more complex models and assemblies. I will show you two methods. The first is performed at the drawing level, and the second at the model level. The first method. First, let's create a normal section view in a drawing. Go to File, Make Drawing from Part, and choose your drawing template. On the drawing, insert a standard views of your model, front view, top view, right view, and isometric view. Now we create the section. I chose a top view. Select Section View tool. In the Section View Assistant menu, select Half Section. Configuration options will be displayed. In this example, select the bottom right option, right side up, then click OK. A 2D section view labeled Section AA will be created. Right-click this Section AA view and choose Isometric Section View. An isometric section view will be generated. Next, apply the desired color settings to enhance the appearance of the isometric section view. This completes the first method of creating an isometric section view. Let's move on to the second method. Before we begin, please like the video and leave a comment if you found it helpful, and do not forget to click the notification bell so you do not miss the weekly uploads. For this method, open the model and create a dedicated isometric section configuration. I have already prepared this configuration. In the model, sketch a quadrilateral that removes 1/4 of the part from the bottom right area. Then apply the cut-extrude feature and confirm with OK. Next, switch to the drawing. In the isometric view, right-click the view, choose Properties, and select the isometric section configuration you created. You now have an isometric section view displayed in the drawing. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.